don't think words can explain just how windy it is here, guys. I just seen a koala just fly up a tree just about maybe 30 seconds ago. That is a joke, by the way, school kids. But yeah, really breezy. As you can see by those trees up there, it is blowing a gale. Got Craig coming up this hill here. I think just a minute ago, where he would normally be doing sort of 30 to 40 kilometres an hour, he was down to like 10 with a big gust hitting him. I think you're going the wrong way, Guzza.
Haven't seen Avalon, have you?
Yeah. Mate, you got to take your hat off to him. This is one day you would not want to be riding a bike.